Gigantes Islands consists of about 10 islands. The two largest are Gigantes Norte and Gigantes Sur. Islas de Gigantes is an island chain within the larger Western Visayas archipelago in the Visayan Sea. It is part of the municipality of Caldes, Iloilo, and the northernmost part of Iloilo Province. Also known as Gigantes Islands, its name comes from the local tales that bones of giant humans were found in one of the caves in Gigantes Island. This Iloilo Island hopping destination is also known to fresh but budget-friendly seafoods. All the islands that you can go to while staying in Gigantes Island have pristine beaches and crystal clear waters that are surely inviting. You can go kayaking, banana boat rides, and jet ski too. They also offer adventures of mysterious caves, stunning lagoons, out-of-this-world rock formations, and white sand beaches. Here's how to get to Gigantes Island. You can fly non-stop to Rojas City, Iloilo City, or Caticlan. Then, head to either Bangkal Port, 1.5 hours to Gigantes Norte Island, or Estancia Port, 2 hours to Gigantes Island. Bangkal Port is preferred as a plunging off to Gigante Island as it is near.